So we can see under single step matching problem, for a transmission line with a characteristic impedance Z0 equal to 300 ohm and the load with a complex impedance value ZL equal to 300 plus J 600 ohm, determine SWR, a distance of a short circuited stub must be placed from a load to smoothen line. So what is smoothen line? That is the real axis, that is or line, that is the real axis line. Okay, so this is the smoothen line. That is, in smoothen line the value of R, the value of reactance is 0. It consists of only the resistance value, okay, and the length of the stub. So first of all, they had given the characteristic impedance Z0 equal to 300 and ZL value was 390 plus J 600 ohm. So எப்போமே நம்ம ஸ்மித் சார்ட்ல normalized value தான் plot பண்ணும். So in order to plot the normalized value, what is the formula? ZL is equal to, that is ZL divided by Z0. Okay, load impedance divided by characteristic impedance. So you got 1.3 plus J2. So now you want to mark in the Smith chart. Okay, so 1.3 is in the constant, this constant S circle. 1.3 enga mark panna, S circle la mark panna. So you want to see this value. So it is 1. Okay, so it is 1.2 and this is 1.3 line. So this is 1.3. Okay, plus J2 value. Okay, so arc, that is this reactance value want to mark here. So it is 2 value. Okay, so this one, and this is 1.2, 1.3 and it is 2 value. Okay, so the intersection of this R circle and the reactance circle gives the, R circle and reactance circle give the 1.3 plus J2. Okay, so now mark this point as A and with and center point as O. With the OA as radius, draw a circle. Okay, with OA as radius, taking a compass and draw a circle. And now extend this line. So now extend, so it is a normalized load impedance. So you want to extend this line to the other side and it is the normalized load admittance. You want to find the admittance value. So what is the real part? That is the resistance value here. That is 0.22. Okay, so this value is, this is 0.2 and it is 0.22 and the reactance value here is it is 0.5, it is 0.55. Okay, so it is in the real axis below இருக்கிறதுனால நம்ம என்ன போடணும், மைனஸ் போடணும். இது above இருந்துச்சுன்னா plus. Okay, so it is an inductive values and these are the capacitance values. So you want to mark this as minus 0.55J. Okay, and extend this line and find the wavelength circle value. So in single step matching you want to see the outside value. So இங்க என்ன இருக்கு, 0.44 there இருக்கு, இது 0.442 lambda value. Okay, the distance is 0.442 lambda value. Okay, so the wavelength value. So you want to extend the admittance line and you want to find the wavelength value. And now next, see here, you want to mark the unit circle. You want to mark it. So this is the unit circle. The 0 center point and the unit circle. You can mark in the hand itself. Okay, so mark this unit circle. So you want to see the two meeting point. Okay, so then in the unit circle, enga coincidence agun paakano. So it is coincidence at 2 point. One is coincident with the constant S circle. One is this point. Okay, it is coinciding the S circle at this point as well as this point. There are two meeting point of constant S circle. One is this point and other one is this point. So now you want to locate the point C. How you can locate it? So it is the normalized admittance value. So now you want to move towards the generator. That is, you want to move clockwise direction. Okay, clockwise direction la move பண்ணும்போது எந்த point first வருதுன்னு பார்க்கணும். While moving towards the generator or while moving in clockwise direction, you want to find which point is first meeting point. So it is the first meeting point. That is the nearest point of the admittance B. Nearest point of B find பண்ணணும். So இங்க வரும்போது இதுதான் first வருது, next value தான் இங்க வரும். So take this point. இந்த point தான் நம்ம எடுக்கணும். And mark this value as C. So you want to find this value. So here R circle எப்போமே R க்கு value 1 தான் இருக்கும். You want to find the reactance value, that is 2.2. Okay, 1 plus J 2.2 value. This is okay. So now extend this line. So now extend this line and you want to find the distance between this value and this value. Okay, you want to find the distance between the admittance value, that is normalized load admittance, as well as the meeting point of this constant S circle as well as the, so concentric circle and unit circle. So it is the distance between two steps. Okay, two steps. So for, this is 0.442 lambda, and what is this point? So if you see here, this point is 0.318, correct? 0.318 lambda. Okay, 0.318 lambda. So now see, listen. So you want to find the distance between step. In order to find the distance between step, you want to see in single step matching, you want to see the value in the outside circle, not inside circle, outside circle. Okay, so for distance, Smith chart problem distance between the load and the first voltage minimum, wavelength circle inside values. Okay, for single step matching, you want to see the outside value. So outside value is 182 lambda. Okay, that is 182 lambda. Okay, this is 0.442 lambda, and it is 0.182 lambda. Okay, so it is the distance between the two steps. Okay, distance between two steps. So if you subtract this, listen, you subtract 0.182 minus 0.442. What is the point? It is in negative value. Okay, it is in negative value. So negative value la namakku kedika. So total one rotation. Okay, Smith chart la one rotation value is 0.5. Okay, so if you add with 0.5, you got 0.24 lambda. Otherwise, you can take, you want to measure this distance, correct? Okay, so in below distance measure pannu. So adukku enna pannu, first you want to find this distance. So what is this distance? In the distance find panna enna pannu, total rotation la idha vandu enna pananum, subtract panna. So one rotation takes 0.5 lambda. So 0.5 minus, okay, 0.5 minus this value. What is this value? 0.442. Okay, so what is the answer? You got 0.058 plus this value. Okay, so what is this value? 0.182. Okay, plus 0.182 lambda. Okay, so you got 0.24 lambda. So distance between two steps is 0.24 lambda. Okay, so it is 0.24 lambda. Can you understand? Okay, so we got the distance between two steps. Next, you want to find the location of the step or length of the step. Okay, you want to find the length of the step. So how you can find the length of the step? In order to find the length of the step, see here you got the value. You got this value as 1 plus j 2.2. Okay, so you want to take this acceptance value. That is, here it is a positive value. Inga positive negative value. If here it is a negative value, here it is a negative value, means you want to take the positive value. So it is a positive value, that is plus j 2.2. You want to take the negative, that is minus 2.2. Okay, so minus means enga paakano, keela paakano. So if you take minus 2.2, what is the value? It is the 2.2 value. It is 1.8, it is 2.2. Okay, so minus 2.2 value. So it is minus 2.2. Mark this point and join this value from the center. Okay, from the center you join this value and extend this point. Okay, so now you want to find the length of the step from this short circuited step line. So it is the short circuited step. It is the open circuited step. Okay, 0 is open circuited. Short circuited step is this point. Okay, at a short circuited step, the value of resistance is 0. Then what about the admittance? 1 by 0 is infinity. Okay, so this is the short circuited step. This is the short circuited step value. So here the value is 0.25 lambda. Inga enna varko 0.25 lambda. So from this you want to find the length of the step. So listen, here you want to find the length of the step. In order to find the length of the step, you want to find the wavelength value. So here, what is they want to see the values in the outside circle. So here the value is 0.31. This is 2, 4, 6 and it is 8. Okay, 0.318 lambda. and here what is the value? 0.25 lambda. So now you subtract this value. 0.18 lambda minus 0.25 lambda is 0.068 lambda. Okay, so subtract. So it is the starting, that is length between the stubs. Okay, so it is the stub point. We are located from the susceptance point, that is the negative value. So if you locate this value, what is the answer? 0.318 lambda. You want to subtract the value from 0.25 lambda. So that is the short circuited point. Okay, so that is 0.25 lambda. So when you subtract these two, you got the length of the stub, that is 0.068 lambda. Okay, so the distance between the stub is 0.24 lambda and the length of the stub is 0.068 lambda. Okay, thank you.